How to unlink phone number from iPhone apps. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll through the list to find FaceTime and tap on it to access its specific settings. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on your phone number under the You Can Be Reached by FaceTime at section. A pop-up will appear asking to confirm the removal of your number from iMessage and FaceTime. Tap on Remove to proceed. You can also do this from the Messages settings. Go back to the Apps list and tap on Messages. In the Messages settings, scroll down and tap on Send and Receive. Tap on your phone number. Again, a pop-up will appear to confirm the action. Tap on Remove to finalize the process. Following these steps, you can easily unlink a phone number from iPhone apps.